Hello everyone, welcome back to Work360 HRMS series. In our last video, we introduced the Work360 HRMS dashboard, how it helps businesses manage employees from one platform. Today let's see how employee onboarding works in Work360. Every new employee joining in your company starts with onboarding. But are you still collecting employee details through WhatsApp messages and separate Excel sheets? For one or two employees, it may look easy. But when your business grows and more employees join, managing details, documents, and employee records becomes more difficult. With Work360 HRMS, employee onboarding becomes simple and organized. If you are onboarding one or two employees, HR can directly add employee details into the system. You can enter employee information like name, contact details, department, designation, branch, joining date, and upload required documents. For businesses hiring multiple employees, Work360 also supports bulk upload. Simply download the ready-made Excel template, fill the employee details, and upload it into the system. All employee records will be created quickly without entering every detail manually. With Work360, businesses can reduce manual work, avoid missing information, and maintain employee records in one secure platform. Whether you are managing a small team or growing organization, onboarding becomes more faster and easier. But adding employee details is only the first step. In the next video, we will show you how Aadhaar-based employee onboarding makes employee verification more secure and reliable. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss the next video.